In this video, we are going to show you how to use Manus AI for beginners. If you are new to Manus AI, don't worry, it's practically just like Grok, it's just like ChatGPT, it's just like Gemini. The only difference is that even with the free version, although it is credits dependent, meaning you get 1,000 free credits when you open a new account with Manus AI, you can practically do everything in depth compared to those other or earlier AI bots or AI services. So once you're here, if you look towards here, it says create slides, build website, develop desktop apps, and design. If you click on more, develop apps, schedule tasks, wide research, spreadsheet, video, audio, so on and so forth. Although video and audio, um, these are paywalled, so you need to subscribe to Manus AI to actually use these. So you can create anything here. So if I say create slides, right, and there are actual templates that you can use. For example, this one, right? There we go. And just type in, just like ChatGPT or Grok, right? Make me a 4 slide presentation about, you know, Manus AI, right? And press enter, right? So it's going to start thinking. Now, depending on the task that you are making it do, it might take a while. So the good thing about Manus AI is that you can actually see the computer do things. So if you look at here on the bottom, it says research. So this thing says, it says here view Manus computer. So click on this. This will slide from the right hand side, and you're going to see it actually create stuff, right? There you go. It is, as you can see, it is now creating each slide one by one. We saw the first slide earlier. It's not correct, right? Now it is. It's not done yet if I click on it. So, and if you look at this, the first ones were the default or the outline, right? And then now it's using the template that we have chosen, right? So again, it takes a while because it depends on how heavy the workload is and how many is using Manus AI at the moment. All right, as you can see, it is now done. So it has generated the presentation using the templates that we chose, right? I have completed a 4 slide presentation to Manus AI using this template as requested. So it's going to actually explain to you how it did it, and it's going to explain to you step by step each slide. So as you can see here, this is pretty much it. So slide 1, slide 2, slide 4, right? So if we click on this, it is now complete. So this is slide 1, and you can actually edit this, right? It's not set in stone, right? You can edit this by yourself if you're not satisfied. Slide 2, 3, and 4. So that is one of the things you can do with Manus AI as a beginner. You can just play with it. And again, it is on the better end of the spectrum for newer AI agents that are available online. So pretty much that's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.